6. Deep in the forest, a Lamborghini Aventador lies forgotten, rust devouring its panels, moss covered.
Every rusted edge, every moss-covered panel tells a tale of years lost to time. Beneath this inside, the cabin is a shadow of its former self. Leather torn, dust thick, pedals broken. Cautious hands attach the straps to the sleeping giant, every movement respectful of the history etched into its battered. Rising from decades of neglect, the Aventador leaves the forest behind, its scars and rust telling a story of
Lifted gently, the giant but hope.
Water flows over decades of grime, revealing glimpses of the curves beneath, yet the battle scars remain.
Foam brushes glide over battered surfaces. Each stroke teases the hidden beauty, but the scars of neglect remain boldly etched.
Grain by grain, rust is removed. The metal beneath awakens slowly, readying for the revival ahead. Each spark dances across the battered panels, a whisper of the strength returning to this tired frame. The heart of the beast is lifted, battered, weary, but still containing the power of a legend ready to awaken.
Years of grime and neglect are gently stripped away, revealing the heartbeat that will roar once more.
Strength returns to every joint and bolt. The frame regains its courage, ready to bear the power once lost. Every dent healed, every panel reshaped, the battered body begins its journey from ruin to brilliance. A new layer lays the foundation, covering scars and preparing the surface for the vibrancy soon to come.
The familiar yellow returns slowly, breathing life into the curves while still carrying the memory of years lost.
Gloss seals the surface, locking in the promise of a rebirth, yet the story of neglect is never fully forgotten.
Each stroke brings clarity, and the battered beauty emerges slowly, inch by inch, from its long slumber.
The heart returns to its rightful place, ready to roar with a power long silenced, yet never forgotten.
Life fills the cabin once more, each repaired panel telling the tale of revival and care.
Grounded again, the Aventador readies itself, each wheel a promise of journeys yet to come. Every detail is perfected, each reflection a hint of the legend returning to life.
A whisper becomes a roar, the heart beats again, alive after years of slumber.
From decay to brilliance, the Aventador stands reborn, a testament to care, skill, and time.
Under the iconic lights of Classic Restore Hub, a legend returns to its glory, shining brighter than ever before.
Every curve gleams, every line tells power, speed, and heritage. A masterpiece revived.
This is more than a car. It is history, reborn with elegance, strength, and spirit.
This is Classic Restore Hub. Subscribe and witness more legendary restorations coming back to life.